So this is how to change your rear caliper on a Ford Super Duty Excursion. So first thing you're gonna do, take your wheel off. What I like to do is just put a set of vice grips on the brake line on the rubber hose, so that when you take that rubber hose off, you don't lose all your brake fluid. There we go. Just pinch it off a little bit. And then you're going to remove this bolt right here. Just going to unhook your brake line from your caliper. After that, you're going to come back here, take off this screw or bolt and that bolt down there, and then you'll be able to slide the caliper off and reinstall the new one. Alright, we got our bolts out there. So this is all pretty much loose. I like to take like something like this, screwdriver or something, and you just get in there and pry this out. This one's seized, this caliper seized up, so it's pretty tight. Just kind of pry it loose and pull her off from there. Alright, got your new caliper here. You install the brake pad hardware there. Get your new pads, stick them in here, get them inside those clips. Just kind of gotta try to get your finger in there and move those little clips out of the way so you can slide those in, or slide your new pads in. There you go. And we're ready to slide it back on the new caliper, or slide the new caliper back on the old spot here. Before I put these bolts back in, I like to put a little anti-seize on them. Makes it a little easier if the caliper goes bad again. When you hook your brake line back up, make sure you've got one copper washer on top and one on bottom. Got two copper washers here. There we go. You want to make sure that one is touching the caliper here, then hook your line back up, and then one on the outside of the line there. Alright, now I've got a new caliper installed. Next thing you need to do is bleed your brakes. So I'll do a quick rundown on that. Basically, you're gonna it's nice if you have two people, but it can be done with one. If you've got like a stick or something, you can wedge into the brake pedal to hold the brake pedal down. Basically, fill up your brake reservoir with brake fluid. Gonna crack your bleeder screw here, push your brake pedal down and hold it down, come back here, tighten your screw back up, then you can let the pedal back up. That sucks in more brake fluid. Then you come back here, crack your bleeder screw open, go push your pedal down and keep it down, come back here, tighten your screw back up so no air can get back in, let the pedal back up. Keep doing that until you're not getting any air bubbles coming out of your bleeder screw here. And that's the reason why I put a clamp on the hose here, is so that all this brake fluid doesn't run out of your line and then you're not bleeding your brakes for a half an hour back here. Then it only takes a couple minutes. So hope that helps you. If you got any questions, leave a comment below and I'll do my best to answer them. If you could subscribe to the channel, that'd be great. Give me a thumbs up, that'd be awesome. Have a good one, guys.